How to access Google Sites on phone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily access Google Sites on phone. So let's get started. First, just head over to your Google Chrome browser and simply search in for Google Sites just like this, and once you search in for that, you should click on this first link, which is the official website of Google Sites. So once you tap on this, you should see this page where it says to create or edit a site, go to Google Sites on your desktop. So which means you don't get to view it directly from over your browser. So what you need to do is just click on this three dot icon at the top right corner just like this and enable this desktop site. So once you enable desktop sites, now you will finally be able to view the Google Sites officially in as if you are viewing in your desktop. So as you can see, I've already created a draft video over here, like a draft sample. So you can basically click on this blank site over here to start getting on with your blank or template document. And just like that, you will be able to access Google Sites on phone. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.